Yo, it's already the end of the day. I didn't even get to film a morning one. Pretty exhausted today. It was a busy day today. I get there and so my second year classes are back to back. 3 classes. They were all super high energy and I was worried because I wanted to do the shopping game with them but with money. And despite how difficult it is, they were actually able to kind of do it. And they were super excited by the fact that there's money involved. Really interesting thing. So I only told them, how may I help you? Can I have apples, please? Here you are. How many? 5, please. And then so the other side will say $5, please. What ended up happening was a lot of kids were like, I want 2 types of fruits. So they were like, I want pineapple and apple, please. And I was like, whoa, I didn't tell them to do that. But they just did it out of their own accord because they wanted those fruits. And then, amazingly, the other side, they were like, oh, 2 and 2 of each? Then it's $4. They were like, yeah. I was like, wow. See, like, kids are smarter than you think. They know what's going on. So I was really happy about that. At lunch, I ate with one of my 4th grade classes and they were enthusiastic, very energetic. It's the longest I've stayed at lunch. I usually leave like about 10 minutes before the hour ends, but they were like, hey, you wanna play dodgeball with us? Please play dodgeball with us. And I'm like, my shoes though. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna play with you kids. So we did dodgeball and now my shoes are very dusty. But that's fine. It looks like they had a lot of fun. Right after that, the reason why I didn't really want to play this specific moment was because I needed to like laminate some flashcards, some brand new ones that I made. That was for the 3rd graders. They're like adjective cards. Laminated them, so I ended up being like a few minutes late to the 3rd grade class. I had 2 3rd grade classes for the end of the day. The first one kind of didn't go as planned, but they were learning the adjectives. So it's not super hard, but there were a lot of words that I put in there. The last class was like the head English teacher, so she wanted to take over for the other teacher and we taught it together and switched up a few things. It looks like we're gonna make them get the hang of adjectives. So it's pretty exciting. I'm super hungry. Let's go. Yo, I'm in my kitchen, so I really enjoyed the vegetables that I made yesterday, so I'm gonna make that again. Ang tuturuan ko bukas 6th grade, pero may ano sila, may field trip. May
pero ano, madali lang, kaya mo?
Parang masyado yata akong magaling. Tinuruan ko yung mga bata today ng ano 2nd grade ng nag-shopping sila. Shopping! Meron kasi kami mga plastic toys na fruits. Gumawa ako ng pera. Ang sarap nito! This is absolutely delicious. It might be better than yesterday. My mom on the call because I finally have Wi-Fi. They're like, video chat. Okay. There's some egg with some Mito. Delicious. And then this is natto. Now the truth is it goes best with rice, but I haven't got none, so I'm just gonna eat it like this. I now like natto. Either I've been eating crappy natto or this natto is really good. Something I remembered about the class today, their fruits keep dropping all over the place, so I was trying to make origami boxes, but the boxes are way too small. And then the teacher in the very first class, I'm so glad she was the first one. She was like, you guys can use your hats, because every kid has a hat that is a red and a white side. It's like reversible. Yeah, I used that as a basket, and I was like, oh my god, I wouldn't have thought of that. It's fun watching how each teacher does things. Anyways, I'll keep eating. I just realized just now, I ate an entire clove of garlic and an entire bulb of onion and 3 eggs and some tea. Alright, I'm gonna go clean up now.